As parents, ensuring our children's safety in the digital world is more important than ever. If you're wondering how to keep track of what your child is doing on their iPad, you're not alone. This article will explore straightforward methods to help you monitor their iPad activities, giving you the insight you need to spy on your child's iPad and protect them from online threats. Can you see what your child is doing on their iPad? To keep an eye on your child's iPad, you can use one of two methods. The first is jailbreak spyware, which means you have to change the iPad settings to install the software. This gives you full access to your child's iPad, giving you lots of information about what they're doing. The second method is iCloud monitoring, which doesn't require jailbreaking the iPad. Instead, you just need their iCloud username and password to see things like messages and app usage. This option is safer, but doesn't give you as much information. You can choose the detailed option or the simpler, safer one based on what you need. How to spy on your child's iPad. Method 1. Use FlexiSPY, best for jailbroken iPad. FlexiSPY is widely considered one of the best spy apps for monitoring children's iPads due to its comprehensive features that allow parents to track various activities on the device. It enables the monitoring of text messages and call logs, including the recording of calls and FaceTime conversations, giving insights into whom your child is communicating with. The app tracks social media interactions across platforms like Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram, and logs browsing history to ensure they aren't accessing inappropriate content. FlexiSPY also takes periodic screenshots and uses a keylogger to capture all keystrokes, providing a clear view of your child's online activities. Additionally, parents can remotely access the iPad's camera and microphone to take pictures and record phone surrounding audio for added security. GPS tracking features allow real-time location monitoring, and geofencing sends alerts if your child enters or exits designated areas. The app also grants access to all photos and videos on the iPad, helping parents monitor their media consumption. However, it's important to note that FlexiSPY requires the iPad to be jailbroken for installation, which removes Apple's software restrictions. Overall, FlexiSPY is the best way to see what your kid is doing on their iPad. It equips parents with essential tools to ensure their child's safety by providing visibility into their online and offline activities, fostering a safer environment while promoting open discussions about digital safety. Method 2. Use mSpy, best for non-jailbroken iPad. mSpy is a popular no-jailbreak iOS spyware solution for monitoring iPads, particularly appealing to parents who prefer a non-jailbroken option. Unlike FlexiSPY, which requires physical installation on the device, mSpy operates without needing access to the iPad itself, making it easier to use. To utilize mSpy, you simply need your child's iCloud credentials, allowing you to remotely access various types of data through the mSpy dashboard. With mSpy, you can monitor important activities such as iMessages, providing insight into your child's conversations. It also tracks their location through GPS. Moreover, it allows you to access call logs to see who they're communicating with and monitor WhatsApp conversations for additional visibility. However, while mSpy offers these essential features, it does come with limitations compared to FlexiSPY. Since it doesn't require installation, it cannot access certain data and functionalities that require physical presence, such as real-time call recording and direct access to the camera and microphone. Overall, mSpy is an excellent choice for parents seeking a non-jailbroken solution to monitor their child's iPad, providing essential tracking features through iCloud. For monitoring your child's iPad, FlexiSPY is ideal if you need detailed insights, like messages, social media, calls, and location, though it requires jailbreaking. If you prefer a simpler option without jailbreaking the device, mSpy uses iCloud credentials to provide essential monitoring features. This includes iMessages, call logs, and GPS tracking. Choose FlexiSPY for comprehensive tracking or mSpy for a convenient, non-intrusive approach based on your monitoring needs.